Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can delete Snapchat messages from both sides. So first of all, get logged into your Snapchat account. You will see a page like this if you tap on chat. And then simply access a chat where you would like to delete a message. So I'm going to tap on this specific message right here, this hello message. So long tap onto the message which you would like to delete, then select delete. It says friends can see that you have deleted something. So go ahead, select delete chat. And as you can see, the hello message is now deleted, but you can still see that you have deleted a chat. If you would like to do the same for other messages, the process is same. Long tap onto it, select delete. Confirm your action, and likewise, this is how it's done. It will be removed from both your server and your friends' server. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.